What's up, everybody? JD here from Tint House. Welcome back to our season 1, episode 3. We're back once again with this 04 Mustang. Just got done installing an Avatar remote start system with security. So let's show you how it works. So I'm gonna stay in the car because I can, I guess. So hit the lock button, chirps once, lights flash once. The vehicle's completely secure. You can't get in, you can't get out. So let's say, it's in the middle of winter or middle of summer and it is extremely hot outside. All you gotta do is hit this little button right here, let it go. And now you got your AC blasting full blast on the inside of the car for the next 12 minutes. So let's say, you walked into 7-Eleven and you left your windows down and somebody unlocks the door and opens it. So you go ahead and open the door. Car dies, alarm goes off, and it's warning you. So what you want to do though is you want to hit the lock button, because if you hit the unlock button, you just unlock your doors. So yeah, so we can professionally install this for you here at Tint House. Come by and see us, 626-672-0055.